Good morning, wonderful, amazing, fantastic algebra students. This is Miss Youngblood here, bringing you this week's welcome video. So I'm going to walk through Google Classroom, what assignments you have for the week, and just share some other updates regarding our online learning. So let's go ahead and switch to our browser. Okay, so right now I'm on Google Classroom. Please keep in mind, every day right before a class, I post that one of your classes is coming up. I try to do it every 15 or 20 minutes before class starts. Sometimes I'm a little late, but I also start the day by posting your schedule. If you're not sure of what the schedule is, you might want to take a picture of this. You should be going to 2 classes each day, and Friday you have office hours for all of your teachers. So all of your teachers are available on Friday for you to check in with them if you missed anything during the week or if you have additional questions. Also, in the classwork section of Google Classroom, I have the topic for the week. So this week is May 25th to 29th, and our topic is quadratic equations. You have 2 sessions to complete each week. Because of Memorial Day, technically I'm making the second session, which is our last session, extra credit. So if you've been struggling with other past assignments, you might want to do this. It will help boost your grade, and then you can go back and work on redoing those assignments that have lower grades. So for this week, you have a weekly check-in like you always do. It is due next Monday. I already had some people turn it in. Excellent. Just asking for contact information, social interactions, and just some questions in general about distance learning. And then for session 1 for this week, we're learning about graphing quadratics. So if you click here, I show you what assignments you have to complete. There are 2, and they're also given by the date, so you can see the date in Khan Academy. Both of those assignments are in Khan Academy. So you're going to click on the link, which should take you to your Khan Academy. If it doesn't, make sure you sign in. And these are the 2 assignments you would complete. So one called Zero Product Property and one called Graphing Quadratics in Vacuum Form. And I haven't taught that lesson yet, so I haven't uploaded a video. I like to upload the videos after I go through it with some kids so I can keep in mind some of the things they're struggling with so that I can emphasize them in the video. So that's session 1. Again, the video will be posted here as well as the notes that I take while creating the video. I can show you this one real quick. So this is from last week. As you can see, I uploaded the video on YouTube and I attached the notes. So these 2 resources are added for each session after I teach it. The second session for the week is solving quadratics. So these are the 2 assignments for that session, quadratics by factoring intro and quadratics by factoring. If you go back to Khan Academy, you can see those 2 assignments are right here. So that's it. And honestly, guys, this is the last content that we are learning in algebra for the school year. So once you finish these 4, you are done. You can go back and redo any assignments that you didn't get the best score on. But basically, those are all the assignments. Next week will be an SEL week. So we'll be going through I can't really remember. So I know we'll be doing growth mindset thing again, but I have to look back at the Khan Academy lesson to figure out what is next in like college career exploration. That's what the students who come to class said that they want to talk about in addition to growth mindset. So we'll do that next week. And those assignments are just Google Forms, and those do help your grades as well. Typed up some notes. I want to make sure I hit everything. So yes, so your grade for quarter 4 is primarily comprised of the Khan Academy assignments and the Google Forms that are posted on Google Classroom. So these weekly check-ins, they are points that help your grade. They don't hurt it. So all you have to do is just do it. Tell me how you're doing, and you will get points that will help your grade. During SEL week, so next week will be an SEL week, you'll have Google Forms based on growth mindset and college career exploration. So you want to make sure you're completing those as well, because again, they help your grade. You can't get 65% on a Google form that's asking you questions about yourself. So you just get 100% automatically for completing it. So make sure you're doing those. So that's it for 4th quarter grade. Something else that goes into your 4th quarter grade is your attendance to class sessions and office hours. So if you come to class or you come in for office hours, I give you 100% on like a 3-point assignment. So again, it just helps your grade. So you want to come to class if you need help, because that can help you figure out the Khan Academy assignments while also just improving your grade for showing up and checking in with me. So you want to make sure you're taking advantage of that as well. Okay. So for quarter 3, if some of you are still struggling with quarter 3, if your grade is really low and you're not passing, I've been in contact with most of you, or if you're just not satisfied with your grade, something you can still do is test corrections. So if you need pictures of it, just reach out to me and I will send it to you. I'm going to be creating some videos to walk you through how to do the test, because I know some people have been struggling with coming to office hours and class sessions, so I will be creating videos to assist with test corrections, but I do still expect that if you're not meeting with me, then you're doing the reflections. So I've had quite a few kids meet with me to do their test corrections, and they're done because we just walk through it together and they don't have to do the reflections. But if you're choosing to do it yourself, just keep in mind, I need you to go through that reflection process. Correct and reflect. One sentence about what you did wrong or how to start the problem if you don't remember your mistake or you didn't do the test. And lastly, I just want to emphasize, I think I started putting it in the sessions, all assignments need to be turned in by June, I believe it's 8th, not 5th, whatever that Monday is. Yes, so June 8th. So the Monday of the last week of school, I need all assignments turned in so I can see where people are at. If you're passing, I'm done with you. If you're not passing, we'll see if there are other things you can do to get to passing before the last day of school, which will be June 12th. So please, please, please make sure you are working on these Khan Academy assignments and getting caught up and reaching out for help before June 5th. I think that's everything I had in my notes, but as always, if you have any questions about anything, feel free to reach out to me. You can text me, email me, I guess you can call me. I prefer you just video chat me so we can see face to face, so we can work on some math. But yeah, text and email preferred, or you can hop into a class session or office hours and I will help you with whatever you need. I miss you. I hope you're doing well. Please do the check-ins just to help me know that you're doing okay. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Bye.